Hi everyone, welcome back to SpeakUp English Hub. I'm so glad you're here to practice with me today. Today's lesson is designed specifically for beginners. We are going to use a powerful technique called shadowing. If you've never tried it, don't worry, it's simple. You are going to listen to the speakers and then repeat exactly what they say, trying to match their speed, their rhythm, and emotions at the same time. This listen and repeat process is the fastest way to build your confidence and start sounding more natural. So, find a quiet space, get ready to use your voice, and let's jump into our basic English practice.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Smith. I'm the substitute teacher.
Hi, I'm Franco.
Hi, I'm Lisa. We're in your class.
It's nice to meet you.
We're glad to meet you too.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Brown. I'm the substitute teacher.
Hi, I'm Paolo, and this is Marie. We're in your class.
It's nice to meet you.
We're happy to meet you too.
It's time for class. Please take a seat.
One,
Andrew isn't a child.
2,
Isabel is an aunt.
3,
Marie is a mom.
4,
David isn't a dad.
5,
Billy and Janie are brother and sister.
6,
Marie and Andrew are adults.
7,
Billy and Janie aren't parents.
8,
David and Andrew aren't daughters.
The first day of class. Paulo is a student from Brazil. Marie is a student from France. They're in the classroom. Today is an exciting day. It's the first day of school. But they aren't nervous. They're happy to be here. Mrs. Brown is the teacher. She isn't in the classroom right now. She's late today.
1,
Grammar's easy.
2,
My name's Josh.
3,
My books are on the table.
4,
My brother's 21 years old.
5,
The weather's cold today.
6,
The windows are open.
7,
My money's in my wallet.
8,
Mr. Smith's a teacher.
9,
My parents are at work now.
10,
The food's good.
11,
Tom's sick today.
12,
My roommates are from Chicago.
13,
My sister's a student in high school.
You will hear
Elena's absent today.
Is she sick?
No.
Is her husband sick?
No.
Are her children sick?
No.
Is she homesick?
No.
So, what's the matter?
Her turtle is sick.
Are you serious? That's crazy.
You will hear Anna's clothes. 1,
Her boots have zippers.
2,
She has a raincoat.
3,
Her raincoat has buttons.
4,
They are small.
5,
Her sweater has long sleeves.
6,
She has earrings on her ears.
7,
They are silver.
8,
She has on jeans.
9,
Her jeans have pockets.
'See you on our next video. Let's speak up!